Hi, this is Nolan from Bench-Mark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the checkpoint feature within FieldGenius. All the checkpoint feature allows me to do is automatically inverse between 2 points to make sure that the point that I've recorded is actually a good, valid, fixed solution. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm actually going to lay out a new point 2 here. So I'm just going to do that by taking a standard fixed solution shot. And once I've done that, what I'm going to want to do is right above RTK fix there where it says standard measure, if I click that, that's going to bring up my GNSS measurement modes. And I'm going to want to select the second from the bottom option on the right there, checkpoint. And that's going to bring up my enter/pick checkpoint menu here. And what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to pick the point that I want to check. So in this case, I want to check that my point 2 is a valid point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select point 2. Just by typing it in, I can also just click on the screen there and click point 2. And I'm going to hit select there in the bottom left. And this is now chosen point 2 to be my checkpoint. And if I hit RTK fixed here in the bottom right, it's going to accept my solution. And then you can see here I have my identifier as point 2. And then you can see I got my delta northing, easting, elevation, and horizontal. So I'm 2 millimeters out horizontally and 10 millimeters out vertically. And that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or you want to learn more about FieldGenius or the Hemisphere S631, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or you can visit us on the web at Bench-Mark.ca.